Hey guys, it's me again, Taylee from TC Awesome Toys. And I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I love slime. I adore slime so much. And I have a little surprise. I have a slime drawer. It's amazing. It has all this slime stuff. And I don't know if you guys know, but I had a giant slime collection. And then all the slimes just got gross and old, so I threw it away and I restarted it all, made a slime drawer. And now I have 2 slimes, and once I do this video, the next video will be making slime with you guys. I will start making slime with you guys and do slime videos like that on TC Awesome Toys. So yeah, let's get on to the tour of the slime drawer. That's what today's theme is about, the tour of the slime drawer. So, this is the drawer, the beautiful slime drawer. It's amazing, big and beautiful. It is a very nice drawer. She's a bit dirty. We'll wash her off eventually. And, yeah, let's just go in. Oh, 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 oh. Here is the beautiful slime drawer. So let's just start from the right hand. These are the 2 slimes. By the way, guys, at the end, I will be showing these slimes and playing with them. This is a light blue slime. It's my latest one that I've made. I'm still naming them, so comment down below what I should name these 2 slimes. This one, and this is another purple slime. This is my first one I made ever since I started the new thing. Yeah, anyways, guys, I told you I still need to find some names. So, yeah. And these putties right here, these are just, like, some putties that I haven't named. Yes, I know they're not really slime, but I just keep them in here because I don't really have any other ways to store them, and yeah. And these is the container storage of all of these containers. Like, these are all the same amount. These are the 2 bigger ones. And these right here are just, like, the medium-sized ones. I will start storing slime in all of them. But first, I need to make slime in them and I probably will do it with you guys. These are the new containers, and these containers I just found, and I just thought I could use them. I mean, you can't have enough room, and yeah, sorry about these containers. These containers look like they're store-bought, and if sun goes in them, might look like they're store-bought, but actually this is not store-bought. These are containers that I had that were store-bought, slimes that I had that were store-bought, and then the slimes got old and I threw them away, and then I just decided I could use the containers in here. And yeah, these are all the containers. I just store them. It takes up a lot of space, but I have a whole bunch more room right here. It's just blank wood. But yeah. And over here is the most important part of any slime. Well, we'll get to that in a sec. But right here is the shaving cream. I absolutely adore fluffy slime. I would choose fluffy slime over any other slime if there was any other option. I love fluffy slime a whole bunch. And yeah, I like the original best. Comment down below which kind you like the best. I just like original because it's really easy to put in slime. And yeah, comment down below which shaving cream you'd rather put in slime. I'd rather put original. And dun dun dun, you know what? We're gonna have to bring him out. He's just too amazing. Too amazing. It's jumbo glue. Guys, I've seen a gallon of glue, but I've never seen this big of a regular glue. This is Miss Jumbo Elmer. That's his name, Jumbo Elmer. He is awesome. Like, he's worked so hard to get in a home, and now he's in a home. He has friends named Shaving Cream. He has really good friends. And yeah, this is a giant thing of glue. I've been literally, like, he's humongous. Just take a look at him. He's huge. And I'll be using him for slime. So you'll see him in a lot of videos if you watch my slime videos. Which puts you back. He does not like going back in that drawer. But he only does it because he likes Mr. Shaving. Come on, go on. Go on. Good job. Ugh, why are you stuck right there? Ugh, you're saying hi to Shaving Cream. You just saw him 2 seconds ago. There's no reason for that. Slimes these days. Guys, I forgot to tell you, by the way, these slimes. I'm going to be doing an ASMR at the end with them and showing you guys the slimes. So yeah, and you guys must be wondering, what is this pencil box? We're gonna have to bring him out and show you guys this. This is not any ordinary pencil box. It's mostly the important part of any slime. Dun dun dun! The glitter box. It's amazing glitter. I love you, glitter, glitter. So we have a family of glitter. This is the mother glitter. Yeah, her name is Glitter Mother. She just has a plain name, but she's amazing. She's a little bit used because that was used in my purple slime that I showed you earlier. So yeah, that's the mother. And we have the oldest. It looks a lot like her mother. Yes, it's called the White Unicorn. They're very small compared. This is the second oldest, Silver Rainbow, and Golden Spike is the third oldest. Fourth oldest is Ocean Sky, and we have Green Leprechauns as in glitter. He is the fifth oldest, and this is the last oldest. It's kind of sad. He's the youngest, but Redhead. His name is just Redhead. And those are all the glitters. This funnel, it just came with all these mini glitters that came in a pack. I don't know what it's for. I guess I just put it in the glitter when I wanted to add glitter. But what? So yeah, it's really good slime stuff. So yeah, sorry about that background noise. My brother is doing things. So we'll just put you guys away. Bye-bye. See you another day. Bye-bye. We are going to keep those two glitters out. Actually, no. Keep these two out for a reason. And now we are doing ASMR on the two slimes. Let's get the two slimes. Oh, hi there. Okay, we're just getting the slimes down. So, now time for ASMR slime. Okay. This one first. Sorry, guys. Add the exact same glitter. So, yeah, guys, that was basically it for today. Thanks for watching, and yeah, peace.